Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cover your cake perfectly without having a tear. So let's dive into the main video. Here I have my fondant. I've already prepared my fondant. I'm going to be listing my fondant recipe in the description box below. Here I have my 8 inches cake. I've already crumb coated it. I'm going to be listing the link on how to crumb coat your cake in the description box. Please do well to watch the video. If this is the first time of coming to this channel, you are highly welcome. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, as we have amazing recipes to share in this channel. And for my returning subscribers, I appreciate you for always coming back to watch our videos. God bless you. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that other people can as well see this video. Hey guys, our cake is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up, and please, if you can share this video, help me share this video so that other people can as well see this video and learn from this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. See you in my next video.